Hello, David here, and the project for today is trying to remove the battery of this Phillips Sonicare toothbrush. I did a review of this toothbrush when I bought it 4 years ago, and now the motor's not working. It works intermittently. Sometimes it has no power, sometimes it has power, and for 4 years old, I think that's kind of sad that it's fallen apart. I know it's not the battery because the battery's fully charged. I think it's the motor. And according to the instructions from Phillips, you're not supposed to remove the battery because they're not removable. But since this toothbrush is toast, I think I could afford to destroy it in the process of removing the battery. But I'm not going to destroy it if I can help it. I'm going to try to take the battery out to see if it's possible to replace the battery if the battery goes bad. On the outside, I see no signs of any screws or divots in the side where you could pry the case off, but there is a hole on the bottom. Is this the model number? MX6240-05. Next line is 1607014A is an alpha. Inside the hole, it looks like there might be a screw in there. I don't think this is high enough voltage to get you electrocuted, but one never knows. This thing in there seems to be turning. Yeah, something's coming. Yeah, it is a screw. I can't tell. Standard screwdriver fits it, but it looks like one of those Torx bit screws. It's got an O-ring seal, so it looks like it is made to be opened. Here's a spool of copper. If any of you work in the Phillips plant, you can let me know what I'm doing wrong. Well, there's two wires connecting that spool to the circuit board. This is coming out. Here's the push buttons. Ooh. It's vibrating. I suspect the battery's in here. Yeah, this is the motor. This is the battery. Is the battery hardwired? Can't tell. Come on. I suspect this battery's hardwired. Okay, so this battery it looks like it's soldered to these connectors. And this is the battery. Nickel battery. Part number 4235 space 010 space 34221. It is 1.2 volts. I doubt this is going to work again. I don't know if just, whoops, it goes like this. I don't know if this being in contact will allow it to work. Let's try putting it back in. See what goes on. Push the button. Not working anymore. How about that? I must have jacked it up somehow. Yeah, I'm assuming it's not making full contact. But I think if you're a good solderer and you're very careful and don't break any wires, I think you probably would be able to get away with replacing the battery. Anyway, that's what the Sonicare looks like inside. I don't know if this is any help to anybody, but I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.